Hello there and welcome back to another video on my channel. How are we doing today? I hope we're having a fantastic day as always. Today I'm going to be showing you the part 2 of how to set up the Elgato Key Light Air. So let's go! To download this software we first need to go onto your preferred internet program. Personally I am using Internet Explorer. Then type in Elgato Key Light Air software download into the search bar and click enter when ready. Click on the Downloads Elgato link or a link that takes you to the Downloads page on Elgato's website. Once on this page, you are given two drop-down menus. On the Select Your Product, click Key Light Air under the Lighting submenu. And then click on the second drop-down menu and select the type of computer you are going to be using to run this program. You can also download this software onto your phone via the App Store and Google Play. Now click the blue button underneath the drop-down menus. A pop-up message will show saying thanks for downloading, and in the bottom left corner of your browser a download bar will show up. Let the download bar completely finish loading. This took about 10 odd seconds to download for me, then click Open File. A pop-up will open in the middle of your computer screen called Elgato Control Center Setup Wizard. Click Next. Read the terms and conditions and click I accept if you do, and again click Next. Choose where you want the program to be installed and again click Next. Now click Install. You are then asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. A pop-up will show the progress of the installation. Then it will say completed the Elgato Control Center Setup Wizard. Click Finish. Now turn on your light. After downloading the program, we now need to add our key light to the control center. First, press the plus button on the top left corner of the control center menu. A pop-up will show in the center of the screen and the program will begin searching for your device. This may take a few seconds to a minute. Once your device has shown up on the menu, click the Connect button at the bottom of your pop-up menu. Now you are going to need to connect the control center and light to your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi from the drop-down menu, then type in your password, and again click Connect. The menu will show connecting to your Wi-Fi and says that it can take up to 60 seconds to fully connect. The menu will change to say your light has connected to your Wi-Fi successfully. When a new light is added, it shows up a message in the bottom right corner of my screen saying a new firmware is available. Then click Finish. I had two lights to connect, so I had to repeat this process again. With the second light, it remembered the name of my Wi-Fi, but not my password. And for some reason, it couldn't connect my second light the first time, so I had to repeat the process a third time. This time, it didn't remember my Wi-Fi. A shortcut will be installed to your desktop. The program is now completely installed and ready to use. And there you have it, all done. After I finished recording, I changed the names of my lights so I knew which one was which, and I updated the firmware so I had the latest of everything. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me do on this channel, anything else you'd like to see me review on this channel, and finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!